Good morning, traders. Welcome to our live trading session. Today we're going to focus on two strategies, all in ASAP. So we're going to look for some daily targets and smart money concept because it's a good timing for that. Before we do anything, we're going to check microeconomic calendar to see if there's anything important. But before we do that, guys, please let me know if you can hear me. Let me know on the chat what's going on. What's going on if you can hear me well. I'm gonna wait for that. I cannot see you coming, guys. 1 second. I need to check if everything is okay, right? 2 seconds. I'm gonna double check before we do that because I've had some technical issues this morning, but it all should be working now. Yeah, it's all good, guys. Thank you for that. All right, so let's get started. So what's going on today, guys? Let's check microeconomic calendar first to see if there's anything important. Unfortunately, there is a problem. Today, I think there is update on AI Kintel, so we're gonna look at Forex Factory. Today is Wednesday, the 18th of March. And what's coming up today? We are looking at high impact news. We can see red folders right here. These are high impact news. And we got quite a lot today. Let me just refresh the page. Yes, 1:30 p.m. We got PPI in United States, very important. Then we got Bank of Canada rate statement, 2:45, very important. Then we got Bank of Canada press conference 45 minutes after the rate statement. And 7 p.m., the most important news of today, federal funds rate and FOMC. So guys, a lot of going on, but this is gonna be after. So we got still plenty of time in the morning to look for some opportunities, but later on we need to be careful. Okay, we need to be careful with the transactions. So we're gonna include all this news in our trading plan. Later on, probably we're gonna leave Canadian dollar and we will see what's going on currency pairs. Okay, let's move on to the charts. We're gonna start from MetaTrader 4 and we're gonna see if there is anything, any targets this morning we can use. Okay, 2 seconds. I'm gonna clear the charts. We're gonna start from Euro. Object list all, remove. So let's put everything again. We got load, advanced trading session. Now we got all in panel. Okay, so we're gonna look for the daily. 1 second, guys. For the previous day targets, and we have one down the bottom. This target can be great for reaction if we're gonna have any cluster here. Let's have a look. Perfect, guys. This is perfect. We're gonna set order for reaction. Why? Because if we look at the chart, we're gonna count the first two swings. Sorry, guys. This one here. Oh, it's hard to say. Okay, we're gonna check the other side. Maybe it's gonna be easier to catch this rotation channel from the other side. And okay, it can work like this. We got some body of the candle, two reactions from the bottom. We got some reactions from the top. So if we're gonna drop here, it's gonna be somewhere around bottom of this rotation channel. Great place for reaction. So we're gonna set order for reaction because we got cluster, and we're gonna not gonna think too much about that. So let's have a look. Okay, good. Got this, yes, and so yeah, we can set the first order. Let me just open the platform. We still got some positions open from yesterday from API Asia strategy. I've set break even, okay, so I'm not willing to get any profit from this. I just want to get out of this position because we went close to the stop loss. The price should go down. We will see. We will see what can we do right here. Okay, we were talking about Euro USD. Euro USD and order for reaction. So whereabout is it? 15082 271 27. Okay. So this is somewhere around 15082. 15082. That's the level we are looking at. I want to reach 0.25. 25 and points. 10 pips stop loss and 10 pips take profit. Okay. Order is set for reaction. So we're gonna wait for the price to drop to this level, and we got order ready to activate. We just need to wait for the price to drop. Remember, guys, later on we got some news, so I will remove that order if it's not activated around 12, maybe. Yeah, 12, because 1 p.m. is gonna be 30 minutes before the news, so around 12 p.m. if it's not activated, I will remove that from the charts. Okay, but the price slowly dropping down. Okay, I'm gonna save this. We're gonna put that in the trading journal. So this is 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. This is the only setup I use 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. All the other ones, at least 1-to-2, 1-to-5, only order for reaction. Okay, so let's make a screenshot. And I want to create a folder for today because it's 18th of March. Oh, what did I do? 1 second, once again. Save. Folder 1803. And this is Euro USD ASAP strategy. Oh, come on. Euro. Oh, guys. Okay, the trade is saved, so we can put that in trading journal. Let's do it now. Trading journal and add new trade. Euro USD. We want to go up strategy ASAP. I know exactly where we're gonna open the trade, so let's have a look at that. Not this one. Pending order is set with 25 lot size, 02. Profit of $5,000. Open price is set for 1.15082. Close price, the take profit is at level 15181. Today is the 18th of 3, 2026. Open time, we don't know yet, so we're gonna change that later. Don't worry about that. You're free. Stop loss for 10 pips and take profit for 10 pips. Risk 0.25. Let's upload the screenshot. 18 USD. Okay, and this is trading plan. Let's save it, guys. Okay, trading plan is saved. First of the day. We got it here, so we're gonna see if this order will activate or not. That's important. And now let's have a look at some other things. Okay, if we're gonna get here, guys, and we're gonna have reaction right here, we can not only get more from this trade because we got 1-to-1 risk to reward at this moment. But if we're gonna bounce from the bottom edge of rotation channel, I think I'm gonna move take profit higher. Okay, probably we can do that straight away. Probably we can do that straight away. So for me, it's gonna be at $5,000 take profit. 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, but after 1-to-1 move, we need to secure the trade for break even. We need to secure the trade for break even, so we will see what's going on. Okay, one second. Okay, so let's check other assets. Let's check some other assets. Give me a second. Oh, before we do that, I want to check daily also targets from 2 to 9 maybe. No, this is done. Target from the morning, it's already done. The price came back to this level, so nothing to do with this. Okay, let's move forward. GBP USD, let's check some previous day targets. Target from 2 to 9 is done. What about daily targets? Let's have a look. Yeah, similar to Euro USD, but Euro USD is looking much better, guys. So we're gonna leave that. Probably yes. Okay, let's move forward. What else do we have? USD CAD indicators list. Let's clear the charts. We got some target down the bottom, and we got cluster here as well. And this is another one, guys, but we've been very close to 3 pips away, but we don't have any cluster here, only down the bottom. This is quite far. I'm not gonna set the pending order because this is USD CAD, and later on we got some news, guys. So there's no point for us to do it. There's no point for us to do it. We need to skip that. Okay, so USD CHF, slowly moving forward. After that, we're gonna check smart money concept. We first need to check targets. Okay. Right, so we have one target which is above the price at this moment. Yes, but we need to change that. Target from the morning is done. I want to check standard targets from all-in panel from previous day, and the price is about to hit the target, guys. If we're gonna have any cluster, and we do have a cluster, we can set order for reaction. We need to do it now because we are like 1-2 pips away from this target. I want to just check volume edge. If we're gonna have another confirmation, that will be perfect. No confirmation, but it's okay. Cluster, basically we got 2 clusters. Let me just double check. Yes, we do have. So we can set order for reaction. Also, this is somewhere around top of some kind of rotation channel. Okay. So it can be nice trade. Yeah, we should be okay. So let's jump into the platform. This one here, that was USD Where is it? USD yes, that's right. Let's check this level. Two level for reactions, guys. At the moment, the price is at level 78662. 78662. Yeah, that's correct. So we can copy the level 78690. 78690. I want to reach 0.25 and points minus 10. So stop loss for 10 pips. We want to go down and take profit also for 10 pips. So we need to change that right here. Okay. The order is ready. So let's set the order, sell limit order 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. But this is similar to Euro USD. If we're going to have reaction, we might have a chance to go even lower. Okay, we will see. All right, because the order is set, short position. Let's save the trade. And we're gonna put that in trading journal right here. Save. This is USD CHF ASAP. Nice. Okay, probably trade will be activated very soon. Yeah. What about GBP? Is it going down? We got trade from yesterday. We just want to set break even on this one. That's it, guys. So if the price will reach this level, we're gonna close position for 0. Okay. Add new trade. We got USD CHF, and this one same. We need to remove order probably before 12, okay, because after we got some important news. ASAP strategy lot size at the moment for USD CHF is 19.68. Profit, we are trying to get $2,500. Open price 0.78690, and take profit is at level 0.78590. Today is the 18th of March 2026. Open time, we don't know yet, so we can put random. Doesn't matter. Stop loss for 10 pips, take profit for 10 pips, and risk is 0.25. Okay, USD CHF, and this is trading plan, so let's check. I think the trade is activated. Yes, it is activated. Save trade. Let's have a look. Guys, look, this trade is activated. So we are waiting for reaction. Okay, hopefully there will be reaction. Okay, this is our trend line. And if the price will go higher, hopefully we're gonna stop somewhere here. And then we're gonna drop down. The best if we can drop down straight away. That would be perfect for us. Okay, two orders are set. And what else do we have? We can check USD JPY. And we can check the targets. USD JPY is working great. We are talking about the targets. The morning target is already done, so we need to check targets from the previous days. We do have a target, but I think it's already been settled, guys. 2 pips away. The price went very close to this target, so for me, it's done. I don't want to use it anymore. And we can check also crude oil. And then we're gonna move to smart money concept. On crude oil, there is nice situation because we got some target down the bottom from 2 to 9 with the statistics of more than 80%. This is wrong, guys, because I don't have full history. But yes, we're gonna try to use that target probably later on, because let me clear it. Okay, we're gonna clear all. All in panel, where is it? Oh, this one here, load. Okay, any standard targets? Yes, we do have one here. We do have one here. Properties. Let's load the other one from 9. It's down the bottom, guys. First of all, we can have a look at the situation, current situation on crude oil. I'm gonna jump into 4-hour time frame. And I want to check what's going on right here. Maybe it's gonna be better on over here. Look, guys, the price is moving in some kind of rotation channel, bullish rotation channel. We got very nice reactions from the top, and the price is moving up, and we are somewhere at the bottom. This is looking nice, you know, for long positions, because if we're gonna break through, there is a chance we're gonna go higher. So probably we can use that. Probably, but also we can stop on this trend line. So if we're gonna hit this trend line, we can start looking for short positions to get to the target. Simple trend line, and we're gonna look for short position. But first, let's wait for them to get close to this bullish, to this trend line, and from there we're gonna have a chance to enter the trade. But we need to watch this area also, because this is some kind of support resistance zone. So if we're gonna bounce, it's better if we're gonna close somewhere under this support resistance zone. And for us, it will be opportunity. I think plenty of pips to get, because it's around, let's have a look. If we're gonna reach this level and we're gonna try to enter the position, we're gonna have around 100 pips. So I think this is pretty good. 100 pips. Okay, what's happening with the trade on USD CHF? I think GBP is coming back. Yes, guys, let's close that position because I don't really like it. So let them drop. And USD CHF, no reaction yet, but don't worry, we still got this trend line. It should save us. Okay, so crude oil, later on, we're gonna look at this target. We still got plenty of time, and we don't need to worry about that at this moment. There's no place to put the trend line. I'm not gonna put the trend line like this because it doesn't make sense, guys. So we need to wait for the perfect moment to enter the trade, unless we're gonna look at this impulse from the beginning of the day and we're gonna try to use pullback zone. But price action cycle strategy, you know, it's working the best after 12, but it doesn't mean that we cannot use the pullback zone, guys, because the price is reacting usually at those levels. So we can mark that on the chart, and maybe we can use it to open the position to go down, because we might stop somewhere here at 61.8. We will see. If not, if the price will break through, guys, we're gonna look for long position on crude oil because the situation from higher time frame is looking pretty amazing, I can say. So we're gonna look for this situation, but we need some time, need some more informations. We need some more informations. Okay. And let's have a look at US 500 and one more. We're gonna look at gold, okay? And then we're gonna check smart money concept. Okay, let's have a look. No, this target is already done, so we cannot use it. Unfortunately, no. We can't do it. But maybe gold. Let's check it out. Daily target. No, this is done unless we got a target from previous day. You see, with all-in panel, it takes few minutes only to check all the targets. So we know what to do if we got any targets or not. Yeah, there is target here, but at this moment, it's not the best time to look for buy position because first of all from higher time frame we are in bearish market structure, and since Monday we are in some kind of range. Okay, so the price is moving in the range. In this situation on the market, we can look for some opportunities. When the price will reach the bottom of this range, we can look for opportunity to get to the top of this range, but I'm gonna check that later. At the moment, we want to focus on the targets. Okay. Okay, because we have checked already the targets, we can just have a look at our trade right here, and we should have a reaction now, because if the price will break through, we will have to jump out from this position. So we will see. There's no good that there's no reaction, guys. We're supposed to have a reaction here, but don't worry, it's fine. It is fine. All right, now let's jump into Euro USD and let's have a look at Asian session. Yes, Asian session. You can see the price got into liquidity zone from Asian session. Liquidity we got on both sides, from the top and from the bottom of this Asian range. So we got into that area. We can have a look, guys, also at some other stuff. No, we cannot use it here. Just remove that from the charts. Okay. Yes, let's find this rotation channel. I think that could work like this, or maybe not. I'm gonna check from the top, maybe. Maybe like this, but if we're gonna get here so low, it's a little bit too low. I'm looking for something in this area right here. So we cannot go any more deeper. If we want to use this Asian session liquidity, we need to stop somewhere here to go up. We don't have any target at this moment, but that's okay. Our target can be the other side of liquidity zone. That's not a problem. That's not a problem. Our time frame, any imbalances zone. I was looking for a point of control, but we don't have any imbalances. I don't have anything right here. So at this moment, we're gonna pass because we got plenty of space to the bottom of this rotation channel. So probably we're gonna Have to wait. We're gonna have to wait. Okay, but GBP USD can be a little bit different because bottom of rotation channel is much closer, guys. So let's jump into 5 minutes time frame. We enter the liquid zone from Asian session, and if we're gonna reach the bottom edge of rotation channel, for us it's gonna be a chance to open the trade to go up. Because the price is moving in bullish rotation channel, so why not, guys? Why not? We need some kind of trigger, so let's have a look where we got some liquid zones. Here we got liquidity zone, sell side liquidity. Okay, so maybe after entering this area, that will be trigger for buyers, but also we can have a look if we got any volume levels down the bottom. Unfortunately, no, we don't have any volume levels. That's fine. Not a problem. Not a problem. Anyway, we can try to use this kind of situation to go up. Basically, we don't need to get that low, guys, okay? We enter the liquid zone, so if the price will break through, we're gonna have a chance to go up. So we're gonna try to follow the trend. It's not against the trend, we're following the trend. So this kind of setups, basic buy or basic sell, they are working the best in the trend. So let's say we are in bullish trend, guys. Okay, we are in bullish trend. And the best situation for us, if we are in bullish trend, we got Asian session box, and then price during Europe session going down. They are grabbing some liquidity and continuation of bullish trend, guys. This is the best setup. If it's against the trend, it's still working because we are trying to get catch only small move, but we got more chances in this situation. Okay, and that's what we got here. So I'm not looking at this area. We might get there, and it would be great if we get there. But because we enter the liquid zone right here, you can see this is our liquid zone. We might have reaction right now, so we're gonna look for that. If we're gonna have strong reaction, we're gonna try to go up. And first target will be liquidity from Asian session from the other side. Okay, and the other option is to go lower to get into liquid zone from previous day, and after that breakout, and here we're gonna have more space. So we got two different options for long positions, and we're gonna save that to our trading journal, and later on we're gonna look for that opportunity. But remember, guys, about the news later on. GBP USD. So the best if this situation is gonna happen in the morning right now. Okay, that's good. That is good. So let's put that in trading journal. Add new trade, and we are looking at GBP USD. We looking for buy order, basic buy, lot size. We're not sure yet. We're gonna check that later. Profit probably $5,000. Open price we don't know yet. We're gonna change that later. Today is 18th of March 2026. Open time we don't know yet. Stop loss we will see somewhere around probably 10 pips. Take profit for 20, risk 0.25. Let's upload the file. This is GBP USD plan for long position. Trading plan. Let's Save the plan. Nice. The plan has been saved. We got another one today. We got already 3 different plans, one on Euro, USD, CHF. Let's have a look what's going on with this USD CHF. We stopped. You can see reaction at top of this trend line, which is good for us. Okay, so hopefully we're gonna drop lower. And the GBP USD slowly going down, which is good. We need maybe 10 more pips to close those positions from yesterday, guys. Okay, so yeah, hopefully we're gonna get there. Okay, what's next? Let me just check the chart. Today, later on, in about 25 minutes, we're gonna have a live trading session on our Discord channel, live session on Discord. Later on, 2 p.m., we're gonna have another session. We can have a look at the plan. Guys, if you want to see the plan, we're gonna check the plan. Okay, so today is Wednesday. We got 9 live trading session, at 10 a.m. at our Discord channel. Another live trading session at 2 p.m. Then 5 crypto asset, and later on 6 summary of the day. So we're gonna check what we did today, and mentoring pack price action cycle. So if you are if you've already finished all in ASAP strategy, you can join price action cycle mentoring at 7 p.m. Okay, GBP stopped, USD CHF. I cannot say no, they stopped, but okay. And you can see crude oil is going up. We'll see if we're gonna break through, guys, because if we're gonna break through, we got plenty of space to go up. We are somewhere at the bottom of rotation channel, so this area is very important. And also we can bounce from here, we can go back down, they might grab some liquidity and then go up. We'll see. We just passed level 61.8. Where is the calendar? Calendar is 1 second. Right there. Okay, so let's check gold. This is nice trade from the morning. Nice one. Okay. Gold. Okay, I'm gonna remove that for now. Sessions. We have gold. What's going on gold? The most important thing, we stuck in the range, and I'm not surprised, guys. This range lasts 3 days now. We got 3 days of range, started on Monday, and you know why? Because we got plenty of important news this week, especially tomorrow, today, FOMC, bank rate statements. Not only in the United States, we got bank statements from Great Britain, from Switzerland, from Canada. So a lot of going on. That's why probably we stuck in the range here. So maybe after all those news, we're gonna set direction on gold. But in these cases, for me, there's always opportunity at the bottom of this range, because you can see the price is moving from the bottom to the top, from the bottom to the top, up and down we are going. So if we're gonna reach this level, for us it's an opportunity to go up, and we're gonna try to use that, but we need to mark few important key levels. So from 1 hour time frame, first of all, we got some kind of liquidity right here under this low. Okay, template, we got sell side liquidity. Then we got another liquid zone a little bit lower, which is close to this one. Template, sell side liquidity, and another one down the bottom. We don't need to grab all of them. They can just grab one liquid zone. They don't need to grab everything. They can leave something for later. But we got some important liquid zones down the bottom. You can have a look, but probably this is also some kind of volume zone. Yes, you can see strong bullish volume zone down the bottom. So we can look for some buy options here, but remember, later on we got some news, so it can work both ways, guys. First of all, this range can finish also. I'm not saying we're gonna stay in this range for another week. Maybe not. There is also a chance that the price will break through this range and we're gonna drop even lower. Because if you look at the situation before, we had some strong impulse down range, and usually it end up like this. So if we're gonna break through, that can be quite strong impulse going down. Then we're gonna wait for retest, and we're gonna look for some short positions. But let's jump into 5 minutes time frame to see how it looks like from lower time frame. I want to also mark these liquid zones. They are also some kind of support resistance zone. That's for sure. So we can mark this as a zone like this. This can be our zone. And yeah, if the price will go down and we're gonna have strong reaction, we can look for buy opportunities. Just give me a second, guys, because I'm about to close the trade. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Nice. That's what I like. Perfect. Okay, so yeah, after getting over here, we can look for some long opportunities, guys. And usually we can look for fail swing in this area. If we're gonna reach this level and we're gonna see strong impulse going up, we can join the buyers, but sometimes we need to be quick. And usually when the price reach level like this, I jump into 1 minute time frame because I can see what's going on exactly with the price, and also I'm using volume footprint to spot if the buyers coming to the market or sellers. Okay, that helps a lot because volume footprint showing us who's got advantage on the market, who's actually buying, who's selling, and what's going on. So yeah, I'm gonna use this indicator later on to check that. But if we're gonna reach this level, I'm gonna jump into 1 minute time frame. And if we're gonna have strong reactions, sometimes after 2 strong candles, entering position with the stop loss, because if there is reaction, sometimes they're going without any pullback. This might be risky trade, but usually it's working, guys. So if the price will reach this level from 1 minute time frame, strong reaction, we can jump. Usually from 1 minute time frame, strong reaction, this can be 300 pips, guys. This is gold. So yeah, but we're gonna look at that. That's the first option. So after reaction, strong reaction, enter the position to go up. And if we're gonna break through, and the price will drop from this range, we're gonna jump out from this range. I will wait for pullback. Usually after the strong impulse, they are quickly coming back, and then back down again. So that will be opportunity for us if the price will come back to go short. So it's all about this area. I'm not looking for any other trades at this moment at gold because we are getting close to important zone, and from there I can sell buy. Depends what's gonna happen, but we're gonna take it easy today because we got very important news FOMC later on, and price may stop. Okay, we can stack in some kind of range, and we can move like this till the news. So I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna save this because we might use it later. This is gold. We can use that later. And what's going on? What is going on? Yeah, nice. GBP slowly coming back, so we're gonna be able to close it soon for break even and jump out from this position. And you can see USD we got some reaction. We will see. Now we are somewhere at the place where we entered the trade. So let's leave it. We're gonna come back to this in a second. Okay. What else can we do? Right here, we are reaching this area. Let's have a look at one more thing. I forgot about that. This is 1 hour time frame. No, I thought we're gonna have some point of control. What about gold? Oh yes, look at USD We got nice reaction at the top of rotation channel. We are in position, and there is also reaction at the point of control. So for me, it's perfect. For me, it's perfect because the price is slowly going down. That means we are already in profit. Yes, we are in profit. We need few more pips, guys. We need just 7 more pips, and we're gonna have full take profit. So fingers crossed. There is some price action, so it's looking pretty good. Not too bad. Not too bad. Few more pips. Okay. All right, what else can we do, guys? US 500, can we do something with US 500? Yesterday, the trade was perfect. And to be honest, I was thinking to leave it because the price was moving in this, rotation channel. So we enter position somewhere here. Excuse me, guys. Enter position. We're about, yeah, around here, and I was thinking to leave it to the top of rotation channel, but I closed it somewhere here, I think. I could get much more, and the price is still moving up. At the moment, we don't have any targets on this one, so we're gonna leave it. Euro GBP, this is nice. This is nice. If you are using API Asia strategy, you know that GBP, Euro GBP, you should be in profit. Nice one. Okay, how far are we from the take profit? We are not halfway. No, we are still missing some pips. We are missing 7 pips, guys. 7 pips. Okay, we shouldn't have problem to get there. It's looking good. It's looking good. So we got Euro, we got GBP. We entered the liquid pool here. We might have a chance. Canadian dollar, I'm gonna leave it because later we got some news. Very important news. Gold, we know what's going on. They grabbed some liquidity from today low, but I think we can still go a little bit lower. Okay, let's check one more USD JPY, and then we're gonna move to our Discord channel and we're gonna continue. Tomek will show you his approach to trading, and you're gonna look for some more trading opportunities. At the moment, this we don't need that. Okay, so what's happening here? What is happening? You can see the price is moving in some kind of bullish rotation channel. We got some undershoot right here. The price went up. What does it mean, guys? If we're gonna go back into this rotation channel, we're gonna have great opportunity for long position later on. Template settings. Yeah, we're gonna have great opportunity to go up if we're gonna retest it. That can be very nice trade for us to look for later on. But also we jump out from this rotation channel. So if we're gonna retest it, there is a chance we're gonna drop down, and we are in some kind of support resistance zone at this moment. We will see if it's gonna hold the price. We may drop even lower. If not, probably we're gonna go up. Support resistance zone. Okay, we are, and we enter how would you call it, point of control from today. This is today, so it doesn't matter right now. Oh, we should have now some profit, guys. We are getting close. Probably we can set break even soon. You can see the price is dropping, so it's working pretty well. For sure, I can lower my risk by half, because if the price will come back, I want to jump out from this position anyway. So my risk is not 2,500 anymore. It's 1,151 at the moment. So yeah, that's how it works. Set up for reaction from all-in ASAP strategy. You don't need to think too much. One-to-one risk to reward, and most of the time these areas are working very nice, and you can get nice profit. We were 3 pips away from the target. I would like to move the stop loss to break even. Anyway, my risk is only $1,000 right now, so 0.1%. I'm not worried too much. I want to leave some space because, you know, we can have something like this and then drop. So I want to leave it here. If the price will go higher, I want to jump out of this, from this position. Yes, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Okay, guys, I think that's it. We don't have time to make any more plans. So we're gonna move to Discord channel and we're gonna have a look at Discord. What can we do? If we're gonna have nice bearish reaction somewhere around here and we're gonna break through this trend line, I'm gonna look for some short position on this one. That can be pretty nice. Okay, guys, that's it for now. You can move to Discord channel, and later on, we're gonna see each other on our live trading session at 2 p.m. So thank you, guys, and good luck. Good luck to you today. Fingers crossed. And remember, about the news later on.